Under the leadership of Gabriel Kalabis, Chief Engineer of Stabila's R&D department, Stabila came up with a revolutionary design that sets new standards for spirit levels. Stabila's international development team have spoken to countless builders around the world. So, what have they been saying? Can you make a more robust, lightweight level that is comfortable in the hand with the strongest profile ever? Can you make a more stable spirit level that even when shaken does not topple? Can you improve the grip? Can you make a spirit level that has a scoring edge over the full length? Stabila listened to these wishes, and now here it is, a spirit level like no one has ever seen before. The new Stabila Type R300 for builders with precise needs.